Hello kids, let's learn handy helper tools names. Hammer. This is a hammer. Screwdriver. This is a screwdriver. Wrench. This is a wrench. Pliers. This is a pliers. Tape measure. This is a tape measure. Saw. This is a saw. Drill. This is a drill. Chisel. This is a chisel. Level. This is a level. Pencil. This is a pencil. Utility knife. This is a utility knife. Hacksaw. This is a hacksaw. Allen wrench. This is a Allen wrench. Clamp. This is a clamp. Crowbar. This is a crowbar. Wire stripper. This is a wire stripper. File. This is a file. Ratchet. This is a ratchet. Trowel. This is a trowel. Mallet. This is a mallet. Bolt cutter. This is a bolt cutter. Angle grinder. This is a angle grinder. Sledgehammer. This is a sledgehammer. Staple gun. This is a staple gun. Paintbrush. This is a paintbrush. Router. This is a router. Nut driver. This is a nut driver. Owl. This is a owl. Jack. This is a jack. Torque wrench. This is a torque wrench. Vise. This is a vise. Wire brush. This is a wire brush. Multimeter. This is a multimeter. C-clamp. This is a C-clamp. Caulking gun. This is a caulking gun. Sander. This is a sander. Plumb bob. This is a plumb bob. Pipe wrench. This is a pipe wrench. Soldering iron. This is a soldering iron. Jigsaw. This is a jigsaw. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.